In today's video, we're going to do a little unboxing of the Vantrue dash cam. And this is the ASHI N2S. That's the model of it, and I'll link in the description. Sent me this, and they actually sent me a 120 gig memory card and the hardwire kit as well. So you can hardwire this so that it stays on while your vehicle's off. So we will gently cut this open. It's really nice packaging, by the way. But this camera here has the front-facing camera that'll face, the front of the vehicle out the windshield, but it's also got a camera on the reverse side that faces towards the interior and rear of the vehicle. Comes with some stickers here. Quick start guide. User manual. Packaging is actually really nice. I wasn't expecting the packaging to be this nice. We're gonna open this stuff up here, see what we got. So this is the suction cup mount. GPS, nice. USB cable. This is the plugs into the cigarette lighter. I guess they don't really call them that anymore, but the 12 volt that's in the vehicle. The camera. So you can see, like right here, this is the portion that faces the interior of the vehicle. And this is the portion that faces the front of the vehicle towards the exterior. And it records both simultaneously. So this camera is 1440p front facing and rear facing. So I'm gonna pop the micro SD card out of here that came with it. We're just gonna plug that in. Right there. Next up, we will take the mount. It should just slide on like so. That locks into place. So what we're gonna do is take the cord, plug it in here. Now, like I said, it did come with a hardwire kit. Right now, I'm not going to hardwire it in this video. I'm just gonna kind of plug it in and get it going in this video, and then I'll make another video down the road showing how to hardwire this. So we got the menu up here. We'll go ahead and select OK on this top button here for English. We will set our time. All right, so we're gonna format the memory card. Format successful. All right, now you can kind of see that's working there, and it is recording as we speak. We'll take that clear cover off the case there. And looks like on the top here it's got a manual mode where you can power on, power off kind of thing. You can see in that top left corner there, that is the rear facing camera. You can see my beautiful mug in there. So we're just gonna kind of go through the settings here. Speed unit, we'll want to make sure that's miles per hour. Okay, let's check out record setup. Resolution, we'll click that one. So you can switch, you can make it either the front or the front and the cabin, which we want the front and the cabin. And we will make that 1440 on each of them. Now just the front, it looks like we can change that. Okay, so the front can go up to, looks like 4K. Loop recording, we definitely want that. You can do it every 5 minutes. That's probably the best deal there. G sensor, so I think that is if your vehicle gets hit, it automatically senses it, and I guess you could change the level of it. We'll leave it at 3. That was the default. Audio recording, we want that on. Make sure all this is set up so that the time, speed, and everything picks up. So now we can mount it. And I'm thinking maybe, let's see, we got to make sure that it'll get the back of the cabin as well. Okay, so we're going to try to mount this here. I want to make sure that it's not going to be in the way visually, but that it will also be able to see behind me, which that actually kind of looks like a good spot right there. Take that cover off there. So that looks decent. And like I said, once I hardwire it, this won't be hanging down here. I'm just trying to get it set up here just to see how it looks and everything. So that looks like it should be good. So you can see up here, it's got the little screen that's facing into the cabin and the bigger screen that's facing the front. Turn that just a little bit. Make sure I'm still in it. I am. And this is like really would be a great camera if you're an Uber driver too, so you could see like your passengers and whatnot in the back. But also, and once I'll do like a recording here of, or I'll add in the video here of actual video from this, but you can see through the back window, which will help if you were to get rear-ended. You'll have video evidence of that. Now they do make these to where there's a separate camera that you can wire up to the back, but I just wanted to do like an all-in-one. That way I can have like the cab and the rear window and the front, and I don't have to mess with wiring multiple cameras. All right, guys, so one thing I did want to point out in that dash cam video that you're about to see, I put the little video in the top corner of the big video. The way it comes, like the file, when you go to download it from the memory card, it comes in 2 separate videos, one for the front of the vehicle, one for the dash and the rear, and they both come in 1440p. I just edited it to where the interior was in the corner just so you could kind of see both at the same time. But it does, like the file does come in 2 separate video files. So I just wanted to point that out, and now you can check out the video. Everyone, so I wanted to get a video in here of what it's like quality-wise, I guess, driving with the front-facing camera and the rear/cabin-facing camera on this Vantrue N2S dash cam.
So hopefully you guys can see, you know, the quality. It's 1440p front and rear, or you can go 4K if you only have the front on. I wanted to opt to do the front and rear just because it will show if I get rear-ended, it'll be able to see through the back window that happening. So we're just going to take a little drive here and just kind of give you guys an idea of the quality of the video. Now it's got GPS, so it does measure speed, date, time, obviously. That stuff's kind of a no-brainer for a dash cam. But the GPS is a good feature just because if you get pulled over, cop tries to claim you're speeding, and if you weren't, you'll have proof on your dash cam. And like I mentioned previously, it does have a loop mode, which you can put it on 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes, I think it was. I had it on 5 minutes, but I realized I do my drives are usually like 30 minutes to an hour, so I wanted to be able to document an entire drive at least before it loops back. So I turned the loop mode off